we have something very exciting going on.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn.
Today, SSBeauty is going to break a Guinness World Record for the most makeovers in under an hour.
You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your
Let's go!
You make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I just said if I was your girlfriend.
Hey Ishika, how does it feel to be part of breaking this Guinness World Record today?
Super excited.
And we are very confident that we are going to break the record today, so watch out for it.
Wow, Yogi, you've been practicing a lot. So how many makeovers do you expect to do today?
Today, I think 30, 32.
I'm very confident that you guys will break the record too. Yogi, good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is our fabulous team of makeup artists at SSBeauty today. They are going to break this Guinness World Record. How are you guys all feeling today? So I'm totally confident that they're obviously going to break this Guinness World Record. Let's go, guys.
You make me up, hey, let's go out. When I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I just said if I was your girlfriend.
also broke one major record, most cosmetic makeovers in 1 hour by a team. SSBeauty achieved a record-breaking 188 makeovers in 1 hour, ladies and gentlemen!
Since the announcement is already made, I just have one tagline right now for SSBeauty by Shoppers Stop. You are now officially made. Thank you.
In my life, they say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms. If I could make you see it, baby.
So how does it feel being a part of breaking this record?
It feels great, and finally Proper Star has broken the record. It's a big thing on its own self, and you guys can see like my makeup is done. It was totally unexpected. I'm still a participant. I'm enjoying it.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile.